What's up, guys? This is Ronnie, and this is the Rescue Ronnie Show. We are bringing you everything real estate and everything about your home. Now, when you own a home, you have a roof, and sometimes that roof needs to get replaced. Now, we're going to give you some of the 5 top or 6 things to consider on roofing materials and costs and what all goes into that. So definitely stick around and check it out.
We do it for fun. We just do it for fun.
All right, so let's jump right into it. So here's some roofing materials that you should consider when re-roofing your house. Now, one that's not super popular, but can be used in some certain cases like lower slope roofs, or if you're trying to be cost effective and do a shed or some sort of barn or something like that, is a rolled roof. Now, a rolled roof is generally for something that has less of a pitch. It's not a long-lasting roof, but it is fast and is convenient. You're looking at about $2 to $3 a square foot, and it lasts maybe around 10 years. All right, so our number 2 option, and this is more for a flat roof. You see this a lot in commercial, but people do use it on residential projects, is a membrane style roof, which is a mixture of plastics and rubbers and things of that sort. It's generally about $4 to $8 a square foot and lasts maybe 25 to 30 years. So you're definitely paying a little bit more than for that roll-on roof, but it's actually gonna last twice to almost 3 times as long. All right, so the number 3 option I think is probably the most cost effective, the most durable, it lasts the longest for the price, and that is just a traditional comp asphalt shingle roof. In other words, we call it a comp roof. Now, a comp roof is fiberglass topped with asphalt. It's good for either really cold or really hot, or if it's interchanging, because it's very flexible. It moves with the movement of the house when things shrink or get larger. You're looking at probably $2 to $5 a square foot, so definitely doable, and it lasts a pretty long time, sometimes 20 to 30 years, and possibly even longer than that. All right, so the next options start to get pretty pricey, but they start to last a little bit longer and are good for certain scenarios. The next one is a standing seam aluminum roof or a metal roof. It's made out of usually metal or steel, so it has a component for either fire ratings. If you live in a rural area and fire comes through those places, this would be a very, very good purchase. Or even snow, where it gets really cold and the snow can fall off and slide off the roof very easily. All right, so now, as I mentioned, it does get a little bit pricey. You are looking in the $6 to $12 a square foot, and can go up from there, but you are getting a good shelf life of 30 to 50 years, so it lasts quite a bit longer. The fire rating's very great, and if you live in a really cold spot, it's good for snow. All right, the next option is a concrete tile roofing. This is a very, very durable roofing, but it is quite pricey, $10 to $15 a square foot, but you are also getting a shelf life, and it lasts quite a long time. You sometimes can even get a lifetime warranty on these, anywhere from 50 to 60, 70 years. So and most people do not live in their homes that long, so this is a very, very, very long shelf. All right, the last one, I'll give you a bonus one, is a shingle roof, which is just sheerly wood, and it is, to me, not a very good option. 1, because wood is very expensive. 2, it doesn't do so great in moist areas, and it doesn't do so great in areas that catch on fire because wood is flammable. So to me, I would avoid that. It also can get really, really pricey. So to me, that is not the best option. The best option, if you are looking for price and also durability, would be a traditional comp shingle. It's gonna last for quite a long time, 20, 30 years if you take care of it even longer, and you're gonna get a lot of bang for your buck. So hopefully these roofing materials have helped you. Obviously, reach out to a local roofer. If you do need a roofer, we can get you in contact. We have some great roofers in the area, in the Sacramento area. So as always, have the best day of life, and adios.